FLOORP, FLOORP. Another browser we're going to have a quick look at. It's good for Linux, Mac, Windows. So here it is here. Right, we're going to install it. Run. Open source developer. Ryosuke Asano. So that's how you pronounce it. Right, extracting. Hopefully you can see all that. Open source developer, hard drive on the computer, yes. Ablaze FLOORP, FLOORP, however they pronounce it. Standard custom. Oh well, we'll go to custom, eh? Let's see what's in the custom. Destination folder, looks good. On my desktop, yes. In my start menu, yes. On my taskbar, yeah, okay, sounds good. Use FLOORP as my default browser, not at the moment. And install. Launch FLOORP now. FLOORP. FLOORP. How you pronounce it. Okay. Ready to dive in. No, we can import from Firefox, etc. We'll skip that. Basic, default, advanced. Ooh. Well, let's be daring. Let's go advanced. Yes, hello. I selected that. I don't have to hit next, do I? Okay. Visual design, photon design, photon. Was that proton? Sorry, it is. Proton fixed design. Firefox proton design. FLOORP, fluorial design. Let's go for the Firefox design. I can click and change each one. Yep. Start browsing the web. Okay. We've got our settings up in the corner here. Let's see if it's got dark mode. Okie dokie. Translate. Bookmark. No, we can't. Ablaze support. Shame it's not in English. Oh, here we go. A little bit about FLOORP. Sounds like something out of a kid's movie. Design, web space, fix some issues. Obviously some wallpapers you can download. I am human. Okay, we'll skip all that. Hop out of there. Right, we'll go to settings. Not much there. Manage more settings. Ah, that looks better. Home default. Yeah, okay. New tabs. Okay, blank page. Random images from Unsplash. Custom. Yeah, random images. That sounds pretty good. Disable blur effect on FLOORP home. Don't know why you'd want the blurred. Shortcuts, snippets, design. Haha, here we go. Tab bar, horizontal, multi-role tab bar. No. Ah, here we go. Dark theme. That's better. Dark theme. Browser manager sidebar. I'm looking in this on my Windows machine, and it is just a browsing machine, and it is Windows 7. But I'm looking at it to put onto Linux. Yeah, So we've got a few different bits and bobs. Apparently this is way safer than some of these other browsers. Okay, we can nominate where to save to. It's pretty standard. Okay, content type, what it's going to open up in. It's pretty cool. Some keyboard shortcuts, we can alter them. That's pretty cool. Home page, 1 row, 2 rows, sites you save or visit. Got a sidebar here, obviously. Our search bar. Yeah, search bar and toolbar. This one up here. Search engine DuckDuckGo. I thought it was always DuckDuckGoose, but it's DuckDuckGo. Bing, no. Google, Starpage, and you.com. I like Google. Sort of stuck in my ways, like some of us are. We don't like change, but change can be good. Browsing history, shortcuts, search engine, rah. We can sync bookmarks, tabs, history across all your devices, Android, iOS. That's nice to know. I think Chrome does that as well, not too sure. But there we go, just a quick insight to FLOORP. Let's see if we can just quickly let's go to Unsplash. Oh yeah. Hopefully there's nothing going to pop up that I get demonetized for. Okay, we can download that. Can we add that as my okay, no, original size, no thanks. Download finished. We hop out of there. No. So that must be random. Bit of support. Okay. I'd like this in English. Which one is English without using Google Translate? Maybe that one? Nope, that one. Aha. English. No, that's done anything for us. English, please. Besides some of the stuff being in Japanese, Chinese, Korean, not quite sure, Japanese maybe. It's not bad. Right, we'll just close it all. Let's see how quickly it opens up. Nice. Search. Let's do a quick search. Wallpapers. Can't even spell. And my caps is on. Well, everything's going wrong today. Wallpapers. Scenic. Probably spelt that wrong. It is reasonably fast actually. Nice. Okay, just a quick look, and yeah, see you in my next video. Cheers.